Your 5-star window cleaning service starts right here by choosing the right package for your needs. Do you want just the outside of your windows cleaned? Our basic package is for you. First, your exterior screens are delicately removed, either from the outside or the inside of your home. Then they are scrubbed, tapped dry, and wiped down. The dirt on the exterior windows is agitated with a mild soap solution and squeegeed clean, using only the most professional tools and techniques. The exterior of your window frames are wiped and the glass is detailed for a streak-free finish. Do you love state-of-the-art service? Using purified water to scrub and rinse your exterior windows is the gold standard for cleaning windows, leaving absolutely no soapy residue, all while cleaning the glass and frames for a spot-free finish and view. At the completion of the basic package, all of your exterior screens will be reinstalled. Do you need some help on the interior of your windows as well? With the Plus package, you get all of the service of our exterior basic package, with the added benefit of having us clean the interior of your windows as well. Your interior windows and glass doors will be scrubbed, squeegeed, wiped down, and the glass will be detailed so that your views will be as spectacular as possible. For your tracks that you can see when your windows and doors are closed, we'll give them a quick wipe. And if you have internal screens, we'll give them a quick wipe too. We'll be sure to reinstall them at the completion of your Plus package. The Premier package is the most comprehensive package. With the Premier, you get all of the exterior service of the basic package, the interior service of the Plus package, with the addition of a full track clean and internal screen wash. Your windows and glass doors will be opened and the tracks will be cleaned. Our standard is to remove the majority of the dirt. Mold, corners, and crevices are not detailed. We will take your internal screens outside and clean them with a mild soap solution or a purified water scrub and rinse. Do you have specialty glass that could use some help? We can clean skylights, partition glass, glass rails, conservatories, and solar panels. Are you frustrated with mirrors? We can help with that too. Do you have $1 million view that needs regular attention? Sign up for our monthly or bi-weekly Elite Maintenance service. You'll love it.